For sealing a shingle roof hole patch, use high-quality roofing tapes designed for exposed applications such as aluminum flashing tape, butyl-backed zip tape, or peel and stick roofing membrane to create a water-resistant, durable repair. Start with a clean, dry surface by removing loose granules and debris with a stiff brush and use a wire brush bit for stubborn areas. For small holes, lift surrounding shingles gently and slide a piece of peel and stick roofing membrane under the shingle edge, extending at least 4 inches past the hole on all sides to create a continuous barrier. For larger punctures, cut a patch from a peel and stick membrane that overlaps the existing weather barrier by at least 6 inches, pressing firmly to eliminate air pockets and using a small hand roller or the flat of a putty knife to seat the adhesive. Use butyl-backed zip tape to seal shingle edges and seams, stretch it slightly as you apply to conform to contours, and press firmly to ensure contact with both the shingle and the underlayment. If using aluminum flashing tape, place a protective underlayer of roofing membrane first, then cover with the flashing tape, smoothing from the center outward to avoid wrinkles that trap water. Finally, replace or press down the shingle tabs over the tape edge where possible and add a bead of compatible roofing sealant along exposed tape edges to reduce wind uplift and ultraviolet degradation. Common mistakes include relying on general-purpose duct tape, which quickly fails under sun and moisture, so use only products rated for roofing and exposure. Another error is insufficient overlap and poor adhesion when you do not remove granules in dirt first, so always clean and dry the surface and use a roller to ensure full contact. A third frequent issue is leaving edges exposed to wind and sun without sealing them, which causes premature lift and leaks. So overlap by several inches and protect exposed edges with a compatible sealant or additional strip of zip tape. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on roof repairs and other home projects, and it connects contractors with nearby job opportunities. We host a community discussion area where we and other users share first-hand tips, product experiences, and recommendations to help you choose the right roofing tape and installation approach.